Hello there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple hero section for your website. I will include a link in the description below to a JSON file that you can use to follow along if you want to. But I will show you how you could create the same thing from scratch and use your own titles if you want to. Let's get started.
To start off with, you're going to want to add a page. So I'm going to go ahead and add a page here, and I'm going to title it Test. You can title it whatever you want to. And then you want to go to the Divi Builder. Then what you want to do is you want to hover over here and click this plus sign here. And you're going to add a new section. So we're going to add it from the library. And here we're going to pick our hero section that you downloaded right here. And then you're going to say use this section. And bam, there it is. Okay, here's the section right here. Now, if you don't know how to download the JSON file, when you click on the link in the description below, you're going to come to a file like this. Of course, you can't read the file. It doesn't matter. What you want to do is you want to click here and download it. Okay, so you're going to download it to wherever you want to on your computer. Okay, and I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to skip that part. And then you're going to go over to your Divi right here in your dashboard, and you're going to click on Divi Library. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Import, Export, and then you're going to import a file. And so you're going to click here to choose that file. And here the file is hero section for training, for this JSON file right here. And then you open it, and then you click on Import Divi Builder Layouts, just like that. And it's going to import the file. And there. It's right there. Okay?
We are using this simple design. Do not underestimate the power of simplicity. People who need your service don't care about being pretty. All they care about is getting results. So you first need a good headline to capture their attention. So if you are using the template, all you have to do is fill in what service you do and in what city. This headline is in a row module. The first line is an H1 heading and the font is at 40px, while just this section is bolded. The second line is just paragraph text with the line spacing set at 3 to give it some space from the H1. This line instills trust in potential clients or customers, as they can be confident in this company because they will know the price of the service up front and that they are licensed and insured. The next line I made red and bolded the word today. This will create urgency as they know they only have until 4 p.m. to try to get a slot for today. The next line is a 4-column row with clickable buttons which give the prospect 4 different ways to contact them for service. If you don't know how to design your buttons, I have a video in the description that shows you how. Just make sure your buttons link to either a form, booking software, or a phone number. To enhance your hero, you can add an image to the background for a more professional look. Just go to the section settings at the top left of the page and click on the gear icon. Then, to the right, click on the background image. Choose an image from your library and make sure there is an ALT tag for SEO purposes. For advanced users, I would use a keyword. In this case, I use cleaning services as an example. Now, as you can see, the image overpowers. So what you need to do now is add an overlay. Do this by going to the background image settings on the right, scrolling down to where you see background image blend, and choosing overlay. Now go to the top and click on background color. I am choosing white here, and now you can slide the opacity bar to the left until you can read the text clearly. And that is it. You have created a hero section. If you love it and want to use it again, just go to the section settings, click on the 3 dots, and select Save to Library. Give it a name and click Save. That's it. If you found any value in my training, please consider subscribing and clicking that bell icon to be notified the next time I drop another tutorial about WordPress or Divi 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.